everyone. Welcome to Stitch in Heaven, your Block of the Month headquarters. My name is Amy, and I'm here today to show you what you're going to get in your Amish with a Twist Series 2 Block of the Month package. Okay, guys? Thank you for signing up for this program, and I'm excited to get to show you what you're going to be getting. So let's dive into it. All right, so you're going to get a pattern, of course. Amish with a Twist 2. All of the Amish quilts are by Nancy Rink, of course, Nancy Rink Designs. This one's rather large. It finishes at 105 by 105. All of them come in these beautiful full color pattern books. They're wonderful. Love her stuff. Love her patterns. So on the front here you can see the full quilt there finished in color. You're going to open your pattern book up and you're going to see your table of contents. So it goes right into your fabric key here, and you're going to tell that all of our fabrics are labeled exactly what these colors are. So this blushing right here, blushing's on this for you as well. Silver lining, silver lining. So all of these pre-cut beautiful fabrics are labeled for you, and they match up exactly with what's in your fabric key on your first page of your pattern book, okay? And then it shows you your block 1, what you're going to be making. It's called Night and Day. All of these are going to be used to make your block 1. It tells you a little bit about it, and then it goes right into the cutting instructions and how to line up your fabrics to cut them, sew them together, and then it goes right on to your block 2. That'll be your next month, okay? And then as you go through all of these different block types. Like this one is flying geese, bow ties, rolling stone. I saw a mosaic star. I saw a log cabin. So they're all different block types. You're going to really enjoy this because it's not just doing the same thing over and over again. You're going to get to experience a bunch of new things as you go through each of your blocks in this beautiful series. So I encourage you to also join our Facebook group, which is you're going to find out about here in our welcome letter. So you also get this lovely welcome letter here in your month 1 package, and it tells you some important information here on the front, what day the program is going to be shipped out to you, how long the program is, that it includes the backing fabric for you. On the inside here, this is what I was talking about with your Facebook group. It's our first QR code. Please join our Facebook group. You can share your pictures as you go along your sewing journey for Amish with a Twist 2. We also provide a fabric key on our website. This one has a pretty good one already in the pattern book, so may not need to use that, but there's always a reference there for you. The next one lets you sign up and subscribe to our newsletter, and the last one's pretty important. That's why it's in red. If you need to update any billing information during your program, you can do that there, or you can always give us a call. On the back there, you're going to have our phone number and our hours of operation. I just want to let you guys know that we do have live people here answering your phone. It's not going to be a machine. Our customer service girls are great. They're going to help you and we have a 100% happiness guarantee, guys. You're not going to be unhappy. We will make sure that you get what you need, and you're going to have a lovely quilt when you get done with this. If you did not sign up for this Amish with a Twist 2, don't worry, guys. Go over to our website, stitchinheaven.com. Find our Block of the Month page, and there's lots and lots of new ones coming out every month for you to join in, sign up, have a good time making some beautiful quilts with us, guys. All right? I'll see you over on the Facebook page. Thank you so much. Y'all have a great day.